Fix tweets and replace notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your tweets and replace notifications on tweets. So first thing, you can go to this application and then you can click here on this icon at the top corner, and here you can click on notifications and you will find here tweets and replace, which is the second option. Then you can tap on it and you will find those options, and here guys you have likes, replays, mentions, reposts, quotes, and first tweets notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.